Hello Math 500, this is Reteaching 110. Multiplying decimal numbers using zeros as placeholders. When we multiply decimal numbers, we count the digits to the right of the decimal points in the factors. We put the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the answer. Sometimes there are fewer digits in the answer than we need. So we fill the empty places to the left with zeros. So in their example, you've got 0.14 times 0.7. We count a total of 3 digits to the right of the decimal points in the factors. So the top number had 2, the bottom number had 1, and when you add 2 plus 1, you get 3. There are only 2 digits in the answer, so we use a 0 to the left of the 9 as a placeholder before writing the decimal point. So let's look at practice number 1. I like to know my decimal situation first. Doesn't matter how you do it. As long as you're getting the right answers, that's good with me. So there's 2 there, there's 0 there, so I need to swing a total of 2 places to the left once I'm done multiplying. So everybody, what is 3 times 5? Yes, 15. Put my 5 down, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Implied decimal, swing 2 times, 1, 2. Saxon likes a 0 in the ones place. So my answer looked a lot like Reteaching 109, and that's just 0.75 or 75 hundredths. Let's look at number 2. 2 decimals in the top, 1 in the bottom. That's a total of 3. Let's get to multiplying. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. Implied decimal to the right, swing 3 places to the left. 1, 2, oh. This is what they're talking about. This would be considered your empty place. I'm going to need to put a 0 there to fill the empty place. And then my answer is, oh, they really like a 0 out front too. 0.024 for number 2. And remember, these answers are on Weebly. Let's look at number 3. 2 decimals, which is a total of 4. Let's multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. I'm to swing 4 places to the left. My implied decimals to the right of every whole number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros do I need to fill up my empty places with? I see 2. So there's 1, 2, and then a 0 for my ones place. So your answer is 0.0026. I'm going to box it. And remember, you do not need to be turning in your pictures of your ISN. That's for your practice. This is practice. Practice makes progress. This is the Saxon pages is what's going in the grade book. So let's look at number 4. We have 1 decimal there, 2 decimal there, which is a total of 3. Let's multiply. 8 times 9, what is that, everybody? Good. 72. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7, 15. Implied decimal, 1, 2, 3. No empty places, but I need to mark my ones place with a 0 for Saxon. My answer is 0.152. When you come down here, you're going to want to make sure you set up the problems. Like right away, number 5, I would have to put the second number first. I would have 0.12 times 0.8. I got to have my more digits up on top for it to work for my brain. Number 9, I still see a keyword of area, so hopefully in Reteaching 109, you went back and found the formula for area and are able to figure that out and are being successful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Answers again for Reteaching 110 in your ISN are located on Weebly. You're doing a great job.